Lindsay Systems Manufacturing recently faced a critical issue at one of their facilities, a roof leak that had the potential to disrupt operations and cause significant damage. Our team quickly stepped in to assess the situation. By identifying the source of the leak on the roof and correlating it with the interior leak, we were able to pinpoint the exact area requiring repair. The damaged section measured 15 feet by 3 feet. The repair process was efficient and effective. In just 2.5 hours, our team restored the roof using 2 rolls of modified bitumen and 1 bucket of mastic. This swift response ensured minimal disruption to operations. Thanks to the proactive actions of the facility manager, Lindsay Systems Manufacturing avoided further damage and the high costs that could have resulted from delayed repairs. This case highlights the importance of quick decision-making and professional roof maintenance in safeguarding business continuity.